Sunderland.
Thank you, Mr Davis. Whatever the government is told, the fact remains that the UK is a global leader in overseas aid and refugee resettlement. Between 2016 and 2019, we resettled more refugees than outside Europe than any other EU member. And in 2015, the government committed to resettle 20,000 of the most vulnerable who fled the conflict in Syria. In total, the UK has now resettled over 25,000 refugees in the past 6 years, over half being children. And any asylum seeker who would otherwise be destitute is provided with free accommodation, utility bills and council tax paid, and weekly allowance with extra money for mothers and young children. As a nation at the vanguard of human rights around the world, it is right that the UK offers legal and safe routes to help the most vulnerable people in the world. But, Mr Chairman, we've got ourselves into an awful pickle, and this is now out of control. So my contention today is twofold. Firstly, the current policy does nothing to disincentivise those who seek to take advantage of our generosity, and our overpopulated island is already at capacity. And secondly, we need more robust policies. So I welcome current initiatives from the Home Office, such as the points-based immigration system. But we also have to send a clear message to disincentivise economic migration on the pretext of asylum. As part of the new plan for immigration and to help speed up processing of claims, the government plans to introduce new asylum reception centres. I welcome this, but would urge that this does not include this disaggregated model proposed for provincial towns like Bracknell, and for which Bracknell Forest Council is currently being consulted. The reasons are persuasive. This small unitary council does not have the space or the resources to deal with over 200 families. It's about fire safety. It's about community cohesion, community tension, overcrowding, building regulations, environmental health, the list goes on. And Bracknell is not a very multicultural area. The impact on housing pressure at local level could also cause further tensions if there is resentment about refugees receiving housing assistance at a time when there is an acute shortage of affordable housing. The scale of the proposed procurement would have a very significant negative impact on the resources of a small unitary authority with no council-owned SOG. And contextually, Bracknell Forest Council's housing team have managed in the last 12 months to procure 21 private rented sector households. Compare that to 200. So in sum, we need a faster, more robust asylum system. I regret, however, that the model being pursued by the government and by companies such as Clear Springs in Bracknell is just not the answer. We'll take our share, but we also need a sense of perspective. Thank you.